The Supreme Court ruled that the Israeli Ministry of Interior must register couples married in online marriages conducted via the state of Utah in the United States. Now, for the first time, Israeli couples are now legally able to marry without physically leaving the country. It suddenly became easier to get married in Israel. In a landmark ruling, the High Court upheld a lower court decision allowing Israeli couples to wed in civil ceremonies without leaving the country. Israel has no civil marriage procedure due to the objection of religious political parties, but recognizes civil unions created abroad. In recent years, a growing number of Israeli couples have had to travel abroad to get married. The court's ruling is a victory for advocates for civil marriage in Israel who have campaigned for it for decades. Religious and ultra-Orthodox parties are furious over the ruling, which means that couples who cannot marry in Israel through the chief rabbinate or do not wish to do so are now legally able to get married without physically leaving the country. Shas MK Moshe Arbel said that the ruling is at the expense of Israel's religious and traditional citizens and damages the identity of the Jewish state. Arbel added that the ruling underscores the need to push through the government's judicial overhaul agenda to stop overreach by the High Court. The High Court's ruling caps a legal battle going back to December 2020, when 3 couples had their online Utah civil marriages registered by the Interior Ministry's Population and Immigration Authority. Then Interior Minister Aryeh Deri ordered the halt to such registrations. Some 1,200 Israeli couples have went through Utah's online marriage registration process since 2020. The marriages are conducted through Utah state officials and country clerk offices via video conference calls.